Welcome to the Natural Health and Life channel. Like the video and click subscribe for more health tips. 8 good reasons to add beets to your diet. Beets are gaining popularity because of the myriad of health benefits they offer. They are an incredibly healthy food to consume because of their high vitamin and mineral content. They contain vitamins A, B, and C, potassium, magnesium, folate, soluble fiber, protein, carbohydrates, and antioxidants. This high nutritional value of beetroot makes it an outstanding food that must be a part of everyone's regular diet. Here are some great and surprising things that happen to your body when you eat beets. Improves heart health. Beet fiber helps to reduce cholesterol and triglycerides by increasing the level of good cholesterol. Thus, consumption of beetroot helps to prevent cardiovascular diseases. Boosts energy. Beets contain a significant amount of carbohydrates that provide energy for prolonged sports activities. Prevents certain cancers. Studies have revealed that beets are good at preventing skin, lung, and colon cancer since they contain the pigment beta-cyanins, which counteracts cancerous cell growth. Improves liver health. Betaines in beet juice stimulate the functions of the liver and keep it healthy. Prevents respiratory problems. Beetroot is a source of vitamin C that helps to prevent asthma symptoms. Improve brain health. Consuming beets as a part of a high nitrate diet can increase blood flow to the brain in older people. Reduces birth defects. Beets are good for pregnant women since they are a source of B vitamin folate, which helps in the development of infants' spinal column. Acts as aphrodisiac. Beets contain significant levels of the mineral boron, which has been shown to boost the production of sexual hormones. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more health tips, subscribe to our channel.